Okay guys, welcome to this video. I'm super excited to have you here. All right, now this information you are about to get is the same information that changed my life forever. It saved my online business from crashing. All right, so now I promised I was going to show you my 3 simple step process to making $100 that is 50,000 naira per sales funnel design project I do. What are the 3 simple step process I use to do this? All right, first of all, I'll tell you about me. Now, as you can see, this is my Facebook profile. As you can see, I'm a real human being. I'm not trying to hide behind my computer. All right, I'm a real human being. As you can see, if you scroll down now, you see this profile has been existing on Facebook since 2008. That's close to 20 years now, if I'm not mistaken. All right, is it 20 years? I think more than 15 years now or so. Now I've been consistently doing business online since 2005, and I made my first dollar online in the year 2010, and ever since then I've continued to make money online. I've not had a CV, I've not applied for any job, and I still make more than a bank manager's salary in some months. Okay, so now what do I do? My name is Usaze Kevin King. I'm an experienced digital marketer. All right, I render my services online. I train people to do what I do, and I offer help in any way I can. Okay, just call me an experienced digital marketing specialist. All right, that's about that. So now let's dive into the 3 simple step process. Now, I said I was going to show you how I make $100 or 50,000 naira per sales funnel design project. Now, what is the first step? The very first step is this: I learn a skill, and that skill is sales funnel design. All right, that skill is sales funnel design. Now that's step 1. The next step is this: I sell my skills. I sell that skill online, or my skills online. Now the very first platform I use to sell my sales funnel design skill is Fiverr. All right, now as you can see, on this account, I've made over $10,000 selling sales funnel design on this account. All right, so I'll reload this page now, so you don't think it's a static page or a screenshot. Okay, so you can see. All right, so let me reload this page now. Now this is loading. All right, as you can see, everything remains the same. Now I put my sales funnel design services on this platform, and I get clients to buy from me all over the world, and I get paid. All right, this is just one of my several accounts. All right, on Fiverr. Now if I go to another account now, you see now this one has made close to $6,000. What do? Same thing. I sell my sales funnel design services on this platform. I'll go ahead and reload this page now, so you see. Now, as you can see, everything remains the same. All right, everything remains the same. If I go to my gigs now, well, I don't want to go. Okay, let me go to my gigs. Let me see. Let me show you. So as you can see, landing page, sales funnels. Everything is all about sales funnels. If I go to this place now, where should I go? Go to orders. Okay, as you can see, so this account is one of my old accounts. All right, one of my old accounts. If you see, this one has made $1,394. This particular one, you can see revenue. This one has generated $2,449 in revenue. This one has generated $825 in revenue. This one has generated $341 in revenue. This one has not made any money. Okay, this one, let me see, $132. This one, nothing really. This one, $164. So as you can see, that is how I make money from my sales funnel design skill. That's the second step. That's the second step, right? Step one, learn the skill of sales funnel design. Step two, list your services on Fiverr and sell to clients all over the world. Okay, I've shown you 2 steps now. Then the other step is I post on my Facebook timeline that I can design sales funnels for people. All right, I post on my Facebook timeline that I can design sales funnels for people. Now see, let me show you this. So as you can see, my special funnel design offer for e-commerce business owners. So all I do, say I will set up everything, I will design a sales funnel for you. And how much do I charge? I charge 49,500 naira. So you can see 49,500 naira for this particular service. Now you can do this. I don't have 2 words. You can do this once you have the same knowledge I have. All right, and the knowledge that took me over 7 years to acquire, I'll show you how to get it in just a few days. Continue watching this video. Don't skip this video. Don't think you can miss opportunity any you like. All right, if you know what's good for you, watch this video to the end. Okay, as you can see, this is my profile, and people are saying they will pay. People are tagging their friends and all that. Now I will show you proof that this is paying off already. Now let me go to this place. I'll count up to 10 funnels that I've designed for people. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one is 1, but it's not loading now. Okay, now this is the 3rd step in the process of making that amount of money. Now one of these funnels, one of these pages, I charge 49,500 naira. Now calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one actually paid 60,000 naira. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's about let's just say 50,000 naira times 10. That's about 500k from sales funnel design. That is excluding the money you saw on Fiverr. All right, that excluding the money you saw here. All right, now this money, like, it has not stopped coming. Okay, now I still design sales funnels every day for people, and they continue to come to me to buy my services. As you can see, this one sent me 30k. That's a part of the money. He sent that amount. So you can see here, this is my WhatsApp. He sent the money. Okay, then this one also, yeah, he paid me for a new project. That is the one. These ones you have seen here, they are not including this one. All right, this is a new project he just paid for. As you can see, he paid for this on Wednesday. That's like last week. All right, now this is a new project, and he is paying me 100k for a new project. What do I want to do? It's very simple. All I just do is to duplicate the pages for him and do a few changes here and there, and I get paid for my services. All right, so as you can see, I've shown you the 3 simple steps. All right, step 1, you learn the skill. Step 2, you sell it on platform like Fiverr. Step 3, you sell it on your Facebook timeline, your social media timeline, Facebook, Instagram. All right, you sell it there. Now I've also tried to sell my services on Instagram, but it's not succeeding yet. But Facebook has been my major platform where I have followers. So people know me on Facebook very well. So you on your own, you can also post about this skill on your Facebook timeline. All right. Now let me see how much I can show you, so you won't think it's fake. I'll log into my bank account now. So you see, as you can see, this is over 1 million naira in this account. As you can see, so you understand, it's not about not having money. Okay, once you have a high-paying skill like sales funnel design, I doubt if you would ever lack money in your life. All right, now I've just shown you a fraction of the success I've gotten so far. I have not shown you what I have done with other platforms. All right, now during the pandemic, I had 2 clients that went on to pay me at least $1,000 each. One was paying me $200 every week or so to design funnels for him. All right, now this is a client here. There are times he even dash me money. So it will say, take, just take, and all that. You understand? So let me see if I can see something. If I can see how much he sent me. I tested the funnel. Okay, let me see where he said he has sent me money. I paid your invoice and get response is also not integrated. He said I paid your invoice, so I sent him an invoice for $200 and he said he paid, as you can see, right? So this is a high-paying skill that I think you should learn this year. All right, I think you should learn this year. Learn it now and be forever grateful. All right, sales funnel design is a very high income skill. Many business owners are looking for experts with money in their hands to pay to offer this service to them. You can be among, all right, you can be among them. Now you have seen everything. Now, how do you not learn sales funnel design? If you decide to go on your own, to go and start learning online, it will take you years to get to where I've gotten to. But what if I completely eliminate all those years of pains and struggles for you and teach you how to design brilliant and high converting sales funnels in minutes, not days or weeks? Are you interested in that? Cool. Now I have created a step-by-step online course that will teach you how to design brilliant and high converting sales funnels in minutes. Okay, as you can see, this is where I host the course. So once you make payment for the course, now you get everything I know to design brilliant and high converting sales funnels. You get the bonuses, you get support, and all the premium tools I use to design sales funnels. I will show you how to make money with your sales funnel design skill. As you can see, profiting from building sales funnels. I will show you everything, as you can see here. So if you are interested in learning how to design brilliant and high converting sales funnels and how to make money with it, then I encourage you to get my course. To get my course, simply click on the link below or look below to get further details to get my course. Now I'm offering you a discount. If you are watching this video, I'm offering you a discount for that course. Once you see that discount, don't waste time. Make sure you take that discount. If you don't take that discount, if you come back again, you won't get that discount anymore. As you can see, I have money. I'm not desperately looking for your money. I just want to help with my knowledge. Of course, I will also make money from helping you, but I have to help you first before I make money, and that is what I'm doing. So if you're interested in my course, look below to get details to get my course at the discount price. Now, what else can I show you? Like I said, I've said everything I need to tell you on this video. So it's left for you now to take action. It's left for you to think if this is good for you. All right, you can do it. It's not difficult. All right, I'll show you how to design all these kind of pages you see here. I'll show you everything. You see, I'll show you how to do it. It's not difficult. I'll show you. But if you decide to learn on your own, it might be difficult. But with my help, you can do all these things you are seeing here. I will show you how to do them. All these things you are seeing, all these things you are seeing here, I will show you how to do them. All these things, I'll show you how to do them. So if you are interested, click the link below, to get my online course. I can't wait to see you in class. Now, before you go and start thinking, who is this guy? Are people even buying this course from this guy? Is he trying to make money from me? So let me show you. Let me show you how many students we have. This course has close to 100 students now. As you can see, this course has close to, as you can see, 86 members. Now, mind you, not everybody who paid are in this group. All right, some people didn't join the group for, I don't know, maybe they want their privacy or they don't want disturbance. But this course is close to 100 students now already. All right, so as you can see, someone said the course is jam-packed with value. In fact, I am still consuming the resources in the bonus. You see, just the bonus alone is even more than the value of the price of the course. All right, so think well for yourself and enroll into the course while you still can. Don't go about missing opportunities and think that, oh, tomorrow you get another opportunity. So click the link below to learn more about my course and take my funnel design course and learn how to start designing brilliant and high converting sales funnels with WordPress. All right, I can't wait to see you in class. Peace out.